Lodge cast iron skillet is a remarkable product that truly stands out in the market. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently state that this skillet offers exceptional quality and functionality. One of the key features that sets the Lodge cast iron skillet apart is its material. Made from cast iron, this skillet ensures excellent heat retention and even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. The durability of cast iron ensures that this skillet will last for generations, making it a worthwhile investment. Another standout feature of the Lodge cast iron skillet is its compatibility with induction stovetops. This makes it a versatile choice for different cooking methods and allows users to enjoy the benefits of induction cooking technology. The choice of color options, black or red silicone, adds a touch of style and personalization to the skillet, whether you prefer a classic black finish or a pop of colo.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.